There are many types of events available within our industry, some of which you may have an opportunity to plan as an event manager, while others you may only read about. While some of these events do share some cross-linkages, this list will provide an overview of the category in which events fall and can also be used as a possible career niche for upcoming event managers. First up, we will be looking at life cycle or personal events. These include weddings, birthday parties, bar or bat mitzvahs, retirement parties, and other celebrations or gatherings of an intimate nature. Leisure events. These include recreational, concerts, art shows, food and music festivals, and other events that are held purely for entertainment. Cultural. These include ceremonial events, folklore, holiday parties, and other celebrations with a cultural significance. Organizational. These include charitable, political, sales, commercial, and educational events. MICE. MICE is an acronym for events spanning the areas of meetings, incentive travel, conventions and conferences, and exhibitions, and is actually the largest area for corporate events. Last and certainly not least are sporting events. These are possibly the oldest of all events that is not specific to a cultural group. These include all sporting events held internationally or within your local community. These events are a major attraction for tourism, has an international status, and are held on a specified cycle, for example, once every 4 years. For example, the Olympics, the Pan Am Games, and other sporting events.